Do you have sewer line problems? Trenchless Sewer Repair fixes your main sewer without major excavation. A new pipe is pulled through, quickly and cleanly. It's much faster than traditional excavation practices, and the new pipe is built to last. Bailey Plumbing are your experts in trenchless sewer repair, using the latest technology to get the job done right. Get an estimate. Call Bailey Plumbing today or visit us online at www.baileyplumbinginc.com.